We have an update in the Gilgo Beach murders case. Rex Heuermann, the man accused of killing at least 6 women in New York, appearing in court today. It's the next step in a case that goes back more than a decade, with remains discovered along a highway near Gilgo Beach on Long Island. NewsNation's Laura Engel is live outside the courtroom. Laura, what brings us back to court today? What's the latest in this case?
Hey, Marni. Yeah, this was a status conference hearing where both sides, the defense and prosecutors, were able to talk to the judge. They spoke in chambers for a while before coming out and going over where they are at right now. And what we have learned is that prosecutors have now turned over what they say is 99.9% of the electronic data that they have extracted from the 400 devices that they have seized from the defendant, Rex Heuermann. That equals 120 terabytes of information. These are brand new pictures that you're seeing on your screen. This is him walking out of court today. He appeared before the judge for the first time since this summer, wearing a suit and tie, still handcuffed behind his back. He listened intently and only once glanced back at the gallery to see who was here today. His wife, Asa Ellerup, and other family members were noticeably absent. Asa Ellerup's attorney tells us that she is in North Carolina currently tending to some family business, so there's that. Rex Heuermann has been charged, as you mentioned, with the murders of 6 of the Long Island serial killer victims so far. The original Gilgo 4, whose remains were found clustered together along Ocean Parkway on Long Island, and 2 others that he was recently charged with, who were found in Manorville, were discussed. Heuermann's defense attorney, Michael Brown, telling reporters he's requesting the 5th and 6th victims be tried separately, and that he's going to move to get a change of venue in this case that he believes cannot be fairly tried here in Suffolk County. And when I asked him where he wanted it to be tried, he joked and said Mars, because he feels that the media coverage of this case has been so significant. We also learned today that the Suffolk County District Attorney is not getting all the federal money, he says, that he's owed in federal asset forfeiture being held by the Justice Department. This was something new we had not heard before. He says it's part of an ongoing investigation into the previous district attorney, and he estimated about $13 million is tied up in that investigation that he needs. Listen.
I'd love to have that money and be able to use it to bring this case to a resolution. So I am going to go to the Department of Justice once again, hat in hand, and I will beg them, please give me this money so I can litigate this very significant serial killer case.
All right, so now we look at the victims that he is charged with, Rex Heuermann. We also asked about some other outstanding victims that we know investigators are looking at, Asian Doe and a woman named Peaches and her toddler. The DA said that he is not ready to make any announcements on that yet, but the investigation is ongoing. So we're going to be back here in court, Marni, on December 17th. That is what the judge said for the next status conference hearing. And he said at that time he hopes to be able to set a trial date for this case, which is a significant development if they can get a trial date that would stick. But still a lot more investigation to go on this.
All right, keep us posted, Laura Engel. We know you will. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find News Nation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of News Nation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.